Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a beautiful backdrop in Canva with all the latest updates for 2024. Whether you're prepping graphics for a presentation, a Zoom call, social media, or just want to jazz up your next project, by the end of this tutorial you'll know how to build a custom backdrop from scratch, step by step. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate over to Canva. If you haven't already logged in or set up an account, go ahead and do that, it just takes a minute. Once you're on the home dashboard, you'll see a big Create a Design button, often at the top right. Give that a click. Now, instead of picking a standard template, we're going to set our own custom size. This part is important because it gives you control over the dimensions of your backdrop. So click on Custom Size. For today's example, let's use a width of 100 and a height of 50. These are in pixels by default. This keeps it wide and banner-like, which is perfect for most backdrop purposes, but feel free to adjust these numbers based on the platform or space where your design will be used. After you hit Create New Design, Canva will open up a blank canvas. This is your workspace. Right now the page probably has a plain white background, but don't worry, we're about to change that. Click anywhere on the empty space of the canvas to select the page itself. You should see a little color square pop up in the corner or along the top menu bar. Go ahead and click that, and you'll see options for changing the page color. Let's spice it up a bit by turning our flat color into a gradient, which adds a sense of depth and visual interest to your backdrop. Instead of picking a solid color, scroll through the color menu and look for gradients. They might show up as colorful fading swatches. Just click on the gradient you like, and you'll see your page instantly transform with that smooth blend of colors. If you want to tweak the colors or direction of the gradient, Canva lets you customize that as well. Have a little fun and preview different options to see what feels right for your project. Gradients are great for drawing the eye and making your background feel modern and professional. Now, if you want to get really creative, Canva's Elements tab is your best friend. Head over to Elements and in the search bar type Pattern Background. This will pull up loads of pattern designs, everything from subtle textures to bold geometric shapes. Adding a pattern can make your backdrop even more unique, helping it stand out or support your brand's personality. To use a pattern, just click to add it to your project. You can resize it, rotate it, and even adjust the transparency if you want it more subdued or just a hint behind your content. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've created a custom-sized Canva backdrop with either a gorgeous gradient, a fun pattern, or even both layered together if you feel like experimenting. It's a simple process, but these little touches can make a big difference in the final look of your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own Canva creations, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, up-to-date tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.